Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. And isn't machine learning and artificial intelligence making our lives better in so many ways? It's helping us shop better on the internet, on e-commerce, showing us stuff that we like on social media, keeping us safe on the highways, and checking for fraud on our credit cards, even helping us harvest hair transplant follicles better using robotic hair transplant tools. But how does machine learning and artificial intelligence help us track hair loss and diagnose it? Stay tuned, you're going to find out in a moment. So at Bauman Medical, we've been using scalp microscopes on the scalp to look at hair loss and hair restoration results for almost 20 years. But you know, it's real difficult to count hairs. And so what's really exciting about artificial intelligence is that now we can take a snapshot of the scalp without trimming any hair whatsoever and get a readout of exactly hair caliber, hair quantity, and we can track this over time. This information helps us make diagnosis decisions as well as treatment decisions and see how well you're responding to your treatment. So the first thing we're going to do is take some global photos to orient us to the anatomy of the scalp, take a look at the areas where the hair is the most permanent and compare that to the areas where you're having your concern or your visible thinning. Once we have the microscope on the scalp, we'll take a few up-close photos and those get sent up to the cloud and then they come back with some digital readouts. So we're going to know the exact number of hairs, the caliber of those hairs, and we're going to be able to compare different zones, so the good versus the bad, and we'll also be able to track those locations over time to see how you're responding to therapy. The information that we get is everything from hair caliber down to the micron, how many hairs per follicular unit, exactly how many hairs are in that zone, and the comparisons to either other areas of the scalp or there are other areas that we're going to track in the future. Once we have all of that information, we can actually print it out for you to give you that diagnosis, and in your follow-up appointments, you'll know exactly how you're responding to the treatments that we've prescribed. This artificial intelligence program called HairMetrix eliminates all the guesswork. No longer are we looking at the scalp going, yeah, I think it's better or not. No, we know exactly by the numbers how you're improving or not from your treatment regimen. HairMetrix is a game changer for the scalp because it tells us exactly how much hair you have in each zone, and we're able to track that area over time to see how you're improving. Whether it's stabilized or getting more hair growth, we'll know exactly how you're responding to your therapies or treatments. So if you haven't had a hair analysis with the HairMetrix artificial intelligence system, I encourage you to do that soon. You can schedule an appointment right here at Bauman Medical and get the evaluation. Click on the links below, and I'll see you soon in the office.